job.
The renovated studio of artist Shary Bartlett. 342 at Parker Street.
Looks a little transformed now. What? Looking pretty bright.
Look at them windows.
And the mountains. See our Vancouver mountains up there.
Are we happy?
We're happy.
You got the vision?
The dream. Yeah. Yeah, not bad for a 100-year-old.